10 of the best places to travel and why they are the best. Traveling is one of life's most rewarding experiences. It offers the opportunity to explore new cultures, landscapes, and cuisines while broadening one's world perspective. But today, some destinations stand out as must-visit places for their unique blend of history, natural beauty, and vibrant culture. This article explores 10 of the best travel destinations worldwide and uncovers what makes them unforgettable. Continue watching as we look at 10 of the top places in the world to travel. 10 must-visit destinations around the world and what makes them exceptional. Traveling opens the door to incredible experiences, from exploring ancient wonders to immersing yourself in vibrant cultures and awe-inspiring landscapes. Some destinations are truly unforgettable, whether you seek adventure, history, or relaxation. This guide highlights 10 of the world's best places to visit, including Vietnam, Japan, Cambodia, and more. We showcase what makes them unique and why they deserve a spot on your travel bucket list. 1. Vietnam, a cultural and scenic wonderland. Vietnam offers a perfect mix of breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and delicious cuisine. Whether you're trekking through the terraced rice fields of Sapa or cruising on the emerald waters of Ha Long Bay, the country's diversity is remarkable. Why it is the best. Vietnam's affordability, friendly locals, and varied attractions make it ideal for all travelers. Highlights include the historic charm of Hanoi's Old Quarter. The ancient town of Hoi An is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The floating markets of the Mekong Delta. 2. Japan. A harmony of tradition and modernity. Japan seamlessly blends futuristic innovation with ancient traditions. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene temples of Kyoto, it's a country where contrasts create harmony. Why it is the best. Impeccable infrastructure and transportation make it easy to explore. Unique cultural experiences like tea ceremonies and sumo wrestling. Iconic sites like Mount Fuji, cherry blossoms, and historic castles. 3. Cambodia. Ancient wonders and untamed beauty. Cambodia has ancient temples, lush jungles, and a resilient culture. Its crown jewel, Angkor Wat, draws millions of visitors, but the country offers much more. Why it is the best. Angkor Wat, the largest religious monument in the world, is a bucket list attraction. Beautiful countryside dotted with rice paddies and stilted villages, affordable for budget travelers. 4. Italy, the eternal romantic destination. Italy is synonymous with art, history, and gastronomy. From the Roman ruins of Rome to the canals of Venice and the rolling vineyards of Tuscany, Italy captivates travelers with its timeless charm. Why it is the best. The rich history and stunning architecture include the Colosseum, Leaning Tower of Pisa, and Florence Cathedral. World-class cuisine featuring pizza, pasta, and gelato. Picturesque countryside and Mediterranean coastline. 5. Iceland, the land of fire and ice. Iceland's otherworldly landscapes of glaciers, volcanoes, and waterfalls make it a nature lover's paradise. Its dramatic scenery has earned it a reputation as one of the most awe-inspiring travel destinations. Why it is the best. Natural wonders like the Blue Lagoon, Golden Circle, and Northern Lights. Adventure activities such as glacier hiking, whale watching, and ice caving. A small population and low tourist density for peaceful exploration. 6. Peru, land of the Incas. Peru is a treasure trove of historical and natural wonders, notably the iconic Machu Picchu. Beyond its ancient ruins, Peru offers the Amazon rainforest, the Andes Mountains, and vibrant indigenous cultures. Why it is the best. Machu Picchu is one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Cultural festivals like Inti Raymi and traditional Quechua textiles. The incredible biodiversity of the Amazon basin. 7. New Zealand, adventure capital of the world. New Zealand is a dream destination for outdoor enthusiasts and thrill seekers. Its dramatic landscapes, from fjords to beaches to mountains, offer endless opportunities for exploration. Why it is the best activities like bungee jumping, skydiving, and glacier hiking. Stunning natural scenery, including Milford Sound and Mount Cook. Friendly locals and a laid-back atmosphere. 8. Morocco, a sensory journey. Morocco is a country that engages all your senses, from the vibrant markets of Marrakesh to the vast dunes of the Sahara Desert. Its unique mix of Arabic, Berber, and French influences creates a fascinating cultural tapestry. Why it is the best exotic souks filled with spices, textiles, and jewelry. Stunning architecture, including the Hassan Diku Mosque and royal palaces. Diverse landscapes range from mountains to coastlines to deserts. 9. South Africa, all the world in one country. South Africa offers a little bit of everything: wildlife safaris, cosmopolitan cities, and stunning coastlines. It's the ultimate destination for adventure and cultural exploration. Why it is the best. The Big Five: lion, leopard, elephant, rhino, and buffalo in Kruger National Park. Scenic drives like the Garden Route and Chapman's Peak. A rich history, including Nelson Mandela's legacy. 10. Greece, the birthplace of civilization. Greece's ancient ruins, azure waters, and vibrant culture make it a timeless destination. Whether you're island hopping or exploring the history of Athens, Greece offers something for everyone. Why it is the best ancient landmarks like the Parthenon and Delphi. Gorgeous islands like Santorini, Mykonos, and Crete. Delicious Mediterranean cuisine featuring fresh seafood and olive oil. The key to a fulfilling travel experience is to go with an open mind, respect the local environment and culture, and fully immerse yourself in everything the destination offers. So, pack your bags and start planning your next great adventure. Your perfect destination awaits. At A Bus on a Dusty Road, we talk about travel, life, and expat living. We are all about living life as a global citizen. We explore social, cultural, and economic issues in travel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.